Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs for a gym-focused diet. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add a small splash of milk, about 1 tablespoon, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously until the yolks and whites are fully blended and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture. Once your pan is heated, pour in the egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Tilt the pan to let any uncooked liquid egg flow underneath. Repeat this folding and stirring process for 2 to 3 minutes. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat when they are still slightly wet. They will continue to cook from residual heat, ensuring a creamy texture. For a gym-friendly boost, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh spinach or a tablespoon of low-fat cottage cheese right before serving. Enjoy your high-protein, delicious scrambled eggs immediately. For the best results, always use a rubber spatula. It protects your non-stick pan and helps gather all the egg. Remember, the biggest mistake is overcooking, which leads to dry, rubbery eggs. Keep them moist and fluffy. Also, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.